It's the God
So
in
if
us.
you haven't been enjoying our videos, make sure if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell for our post notifications so you can be notified when we're making our next video. And today we're going to be making a video on a nice, quick, delicious meal. And here we have some potatoes that we made, a salad. Now, if you don't know how to make this salad, go ahead and watch our previous video on how we made this salad. We show everything on how it was made and everything, all the ingredients put together to make this salad. And here we also have some grape leaves, stuffed grape leaves. They don't have any meat or anything in them. And you get these at Kroger. You can buy a big can of a whole bunch of grape leaves for $10. You can also buy a smaller one for about $3. And over here, what I'm going to be showing you guys how to make today are falafels. And what falafel is it is chickpeas and fava beans grounded, mixed together with a couple spices, and that's it. It's about 4 or 5 ingredients. So what I did here is I mixed 1 cup of the falafel mix. By the way, you can get this at Kroger also. This here is $4. You mix one, let me show you what it looks like. It's grounded, so you mix 1 cup of this with 3/4 cup of water. After you mix it, you set it for about 30 minutes. Let it set for about 30 minutes, and then it starts to form just like this. It starts to form just like this. So I have the oil already heating up, ready for me to stick them in here. So how I'm going to get them ready is, first I already have my hands washed, but I'm going to wet my hands. And with a spoon, I'm going to get a nice little small, don't want them too big because you want them to be able to cook in the inside. And what you do is you make it into a ball just like this. And I just pat it just a little bit like this so that the inside cook. I don't want it too much of a ball, but just like this. This is a nice size. So then with my fork, I come over here. I already have the oil heating up and set it. Go on and make your next one. And that's all. As you can see, this is very quick and easy. You'll see what it looks like when we're done. So I'm just going to go ahead and let you guys watch me do what I do. As you see it browning just like this, you want to go ahead and flip it so the other side can cook. So check this out and you'll see. Don't want it to get burnt, just enough to be crispy.
See, it didn't take that long to get
It
wrong.
doesn't take that long. I already have the heat going. My hands dried just a little bit, so I'm going to go ahead and wet it just a little bit more. And there's really nothing to this. These are so good, and it's a good alternative to meat. These ones are ready, so I'm just going to take them out. So finish making the rest. And we're almost done. That's because my hand was wet with water. So I made 1 cup of these and I still have that much left over. So yeah, the falafel mix was $4, but you can make this a good 3 or 4 times with a lot of falafels made. And if you want, you can also make a sandwich out of these. This is also like a vegetable burger. So if you want to get creative, you can also make a burger. But I would definitely recommend to watch our previous video of the homemade burger that we made. That is also a very delicious burger, and you should definitely try that out if you haven't. And we're almost done here, so you can see the final, what we have all together. I'm gonna make one whole one out of this. I'm just gonna make sure that it might be a little bigger than the rest, but. And that's it. And there's really nothing to it, guys. This is a good meal. Eat all of this, the salad, the potatoes, you have grape leaves, and you have these falafels. You are so satisfied. You don't feel full. You feel very good and energized. And that's what you want to eat. You want to eat food that makes you feel good, doesn't sit you down and make you feel full and yucky, and have you run into the toilet afterwards. I recommend eating these sweet potatoes because they're much healthier than eating white potatoes. I also recommend making them with the peel still on because it allows you to have the full nutrients of the sweet potatoes. You're not eating something real. It's not really, how am I gonna say it? You don't want to strip any good vegetable of its nutrients, so you don't want to take the skin off if the skin may be the most important part of the vegetable. For example, my cucumbers, I eat them with the peel. They eat everything with their peel still on. When you eat an apple, you don't peel the apple before you eat it. You just bite into it, and that's how you get all of your nutrients. Of course, fruits and vegetables like the oranges, you're not going to eat an orange with the peel on. You're going to peel it. But for here, these sweet potatoes are made with the peels, and they're still as delicious, and they're very healthy for you. So we're coming back over here, and these are ready to be flipped. And these are ready to come out. Okay, so here's everything all together, and as you can see, it's still a lot of food, very delicious. If you guys like the video, make sure you do like it. Comment if you please. If you're not following, subscribe us.